I learned a recipe for chicken so amazing that even the chef of the restaurant asked me for the recipe. Let's start by cutting a chicken fillet in half. Now, put a plastic over it and beat with a meat hammer. This will make it very soft. Then, fill the chicken with wheat flour to taste. Make sure you get this crunchy layer. In a glass dish, add an egg, salt, pepper, chives, 3 cloves of garlic and 50 grams of Parmesan cheese. Mix everything until it is homogeneous. The aroma already begins to appear. Pour the chicken into the dish and incorporate well to the sauce. This will make all the difference in taste. Heat a frying pan with a tablespoon of milk butter and add the chicken, letting it fry until golden brown. That noise is music to our ears. Turn the sides so that both are evenly golden. We want crispness alike. Remove the chicken and, in the same frying pan, add 170 milliliters of chicken broth, plus 3 cloves of garlic, chives to taste and half a unit of lemon juice. Mix everything and let the flavors come together. Supplement with a tablespoon of milk butter and, when everything is well incorporated, add the chicken back. Let cook for 2 minutes. And don't forget to turn the chicken so that both sides are in the same texture and flavor. And here it is. Our sensational chicken fillet is ready to be served. Did you like this recipe? Then like and share your opinion, leaving your comment. Bon appetit and see you for the next culinary adventure.